Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to do another what I eat in a day, and we're going to get back on track on Slimming World from being off at Christmas time and New Year and everything like that. So really going to try and stick to as much as on plan as I can be. It's not been going well the past couple of days. I did actually maintain at Slimming World. I was going to make a separate video on how I did over Christmas and New Year, but I did actually maintain, so at least there's that. But then it's my time of the month this week after I got weighed, and I've been craving all the bad food and it's not making me feel good, so we're just gonna get back on track on Slimming World. As you will have seen, I've had my breakfast. I just had 2 Weetabix, unsweetened oat milk, used the last of it up actually, and some half a banana. The rabbits had some of the other half. I've been working on this bottle of water. I've nearly finished a litre. I really need to get back into drinking more water. I've not been good at staying hydrated, so we need to work on that as well. I've had half a can of Monster too. I don't think I'm quite ready for lunch yet. It's just after 12, but I'm still quite full. So what I'm gonna do is use up the last of, or use up these raspberries because they are out of date today. Just a little punnet of raspberries. So I'm gonna have them and do some tidying up, work on YouTube a little bit. I'm not working until 4:30 today, so I've got some time until I need to do that. And I was going to have the new vegan steak bake from Greg's for dinner. I was going to get it before my work and make it for Ryan and I, like just heat it up and have some like chips and veg with it or something. But then I found out it was 19 sins, so we're not going to do that today. Maybe if I get a good result on the scale next week we can do that, but I really want to stick to under 15 sins and eat more veg and stuff like that. So we're not doing that today. I think I might make some curry for dinner. Lunch, I don't know yet, we'll see. But yeah, just going to munch on my raspberries. Sins for today so far are 0, and I've used one of my Healthy Extra A's on the oat milk and my Healthy Extra B on the Weetabix. So that's all I've had so far, and I'm going to have my raspberries, which are a speed food. I'll get back to you when I'm going to have my... Hi everyone, so it's 3 o'clock. I'm just getting my lunch now. I'm getting a little bit hungry. I'm not going to be having my dinner till after 7:30 tonight, so that's why I'm having a late lunch, but I'll just show you what I'm having. I'm excited to eat it. It looks really good. So this is my lunch. We've got a vegan lasagna that I made last night. That is 4 sins for the jar of white sauce. I will show you the jar just a second. This is the sauce I used. I've obviously washed it out for recycling, but it was from Sainsbury's for £2 I think for the jar. First time I've ever used it, and when I looked it up online, the way I've portioned out my lasagna, this is 4 sins for that portion. And then I've just got it with some salad for speed, and I used 1 tablespoon of the Aldi light French dressing for half a sin. So my lunch is 4.5 sins and it looks delicious. I've just got lettuce, cucumber, tomato and red onion. And in the lasagna there's soy mince, chopped tomatoes, garlic, onions, carrots, celery. There's no mushrooms because Ryan doesn't like mushrooms and I was making it for the both of us. But yeah, lots of good veggies and a nice salad, and I'm going to have that with a Diet Coke. Also wanted to quickly mention I am on my 2nd bottle of the day and I've nearly drank half of it, and I've been literally back and forth peeing all day, so I'm glad I'm not working till later on. That's what always happens when you try and drink more water, isn't it? But anyway, I'm going to enjoy my nice lunch and I'll speak to you at dinner time. So I am back from work. I made my dinner. Ryan got home and I was going to make a curry with chickpeas because he said that he fancied something with chickpeas in it, and got all the stuff ready, and what do you know, we didn't have chickpeas in the cupboard, and I was so annoyed because it's just like one of those staples that you always have. But I remember using the last tin at Christmas time, so he drove me to Morrison's just after his work. I ended up making a butternut squash, chickpea and spinach curry. I'll link the recipe down below because it was really nice. First time I've properly followed the instructions for like spices and stuff for example like cinnamon, because I really don't like cinnamon on its own, but it was really nice when you add it into curries and stuff. So anyway, had that. I used, it would be 2 cents for using coconut milk, but I've not had my second healthy extra for the day, so I'm going to count it as towards that. I used 4 cents for 2 poppadoms. I really enjoyed it. The flavours were really nice, so like I said, I will link that down below in case you want to make it. I posted it on my Instagram as well. I don't think I'll be eating anything else. It's just before 9, it's a lot later than I would have wanted to eat, but like I said, had issues with the chickpeas, so not gonna have anything else to eat. So I am ending the day on 8.5 cents, I think it is. If it's not, I'll leave it down below here. I need to get back into writing it down actually. My book is somewhere in that pile behind me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my what I eat in a day, getting back on track with Slimming World. Done not too bad with my sins today. I thought I would have been higher up to the 15. I will definitely film more of these because it keeps me accountable, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.